Hello everyone, welcome to Off Campus. In this video, we are going to solve some important problems in control system. Let's come into the problem. The open loop transfer function for unity feedback system is given by 5 into 1 plus 0.1 into s divided by s into 1 plus 5s into 1 plus 20s. Find the steady state error for a step input of magnitude 10 is equal to. Options are given. Let's see how to solve this problem. Open loop transfer function of a unity feedback system is given by s divided by 1 plus 5 into 1 plus 0.1 s divided by s into 1 plus 5s into 1 plus 20s. We have to find out the steady state error for a step input. What is given? Magnitude is given as 10. We have to find out the steady state error for a step input. What is the formula for steady state error? ESS for a step input is A divided by 1 plus Kp, where A is a magnitude, Kp is a positional error coefficient. How to find out the positional error coefficient for step input? Kp is equal to limit s tends to 0, g of s into h of s. We know that g of s is equal to the given function is g of s, h of s is 1, because set unity feedback system, so h of s is equal to 1. Substitute these two into this equation. G of s 5 into 1 plus 0.1 s divided by s into 1 plus 5 s into 1 plus 20 into s into 1, g of s and h of s. Now we are going to substitute s is equal to 0 in place of. Now we are going to substitute in place of s is equal to 0. Substitute s equal to 0 in that equation. When s equal to 0, 5 in numerator, because this term will get 0, 5 into 1, 5 we will get. When substitute s equal to 0, anything by 0, what we get? Infinite. So positional error coefficient Kp is equal to infinite here. What we are going to find steady state error? Steady state error is A divided by 1 plus Kp. We know that A is a magnitude given as 10. We are going to substitute that 10 here divided by 1 plus Kp. 1 plus infinity will get also infinity. Anything divided by infinity, what we get? Equal to 0. So steady state error for this particular problem. Let's move on to the second problem. The input output relationship of a LTI continuous time system is given by R of t is equal to d squared c of t divided by dt squared plus 3 dc of t divided by dt plus 2 into c of t, where R of t and c of t are input and output respectively. What is the transfer function of a system equal to? Let's see how to solve this problem. What is given? R of t and c of R of t. Let's see how to solve this problem. The input and output relationship is given as R of t is equal to d squared c of t divided by dt squared plus 3 into dc of t divided by dt plus 2 into c of t. We have to find out the transfer function of this given system. We know that formula for transfer function is c of s divided by r of s. By taking Laplace transform of this equation, we will get the transfer function of this. By taking Laplace transform of this equation, we will get the transfer function. And by taking taking Laplace transform on both sides. R of S is equal to S squared into C of S plus 3 into C of S, sorry, 3S into multiplied by S. We know that differentiating property of Laplace transform plus 2 into C of S. By taking C of S as a common, S square plus 3S plus 2. C of S divided by R of S, C of S by C of S divided by R of S, what we get? 1 by S square plus 3S plus 2. This is the transfer function for that given continuous time system, LTI system. Please subscribe and support Off Campus and click on the bell icon. You will get notifications. Thank you.